Hello mga kapudrip, at dahil umuulan ngayon, masarap mag-hotpot. Simulan na natin. Lagyan natin ng, gamitin natin ay pansit sotanghon. Unahin natin siya para mas madaling maluto. Lahati lang muna lagay natin, mga kapudrip. Then lagay natin ang ating, ito yung fish cake. Different kinds ng fish cake. Tutin lang natin kasi sobrang lalaki. Wow! Mm. Sarap humigop ng mainit sabaw ng hotpot kasi umuulan. Sobrang lamig ngayon dito. Nag-snow, tapos umulan. Ayan. Then, ito naman ang ating lobster ball. Hindi natin siya kasi maliliit naman siya. Sama natin ang ating tofu. Yung gulay, mamaya na yon kasi madali naman maluto. Lahat na natin to. Then, lagyan natin. Gagamitin natin dito ay seafood hot pot soup base. Lakasan lang muna natin para madali siyang kumulo. On. Dalawa yung lalagay natin para mas malasa at mas masarap. So, tayin lang natin siyang maluto. Mabilis naman maluto yan. Then, gulay. Ito yung mga gulay natin. Mamaya na yan kasi mabilis naman maluto. Then, kapag kaluto na, ito yung ating toppings mamaya. Ito yung chili sauce, black beans. Then, may katuwang na Korean style barbecue seaweeds. And combination ng ating siopaw. Sarap. Lagyan din natin ng garlic mamaya. Okay. At syempre, meron din tayong mais. Lagyan na natin. And then, muntik na natin makakalimutan ng ating boiled egg. Uy, English yun ah. Okay, then hintayin lang natin. Maluto yung ating noodles at saka yung mga fish cakes. Then, ready to eat na tayo. Kasama natin yan. Combination, siopaw. Then, meron tayong seaweed Korean style barbecue. Wow. Lagay naman natin yung gulay, mga kapudrip. Mas maraming gulay, mas masarap. Then, ito yung ating mushroom. Let's eat, mga kapud trip. Oh, sarap. Daming gulay, oh. Fish cake. Mm. Sarap.
What corn? Okay, corn. Hindi pa yata luto yung corn mo.
Mamaya yan, Walton. Hindi pa luto yan. Yes.
There's the seaweed. I'm eating mine.
Wow.
I give you seaweed, okay?
Seaweeds.
Wow.
Mm. Wow.
Wow.
Want more. Yan. Bigyan natin ng chili. Chili sauce, black bean. Masarap. Maanghang, masarap. Lagyan natin ng garlic.
I want some garlic.
Yes, some garlic. Here it is, mga putrip.
It's hot.
Yummy, Wesley.
But it's hot.
Mm.
Siopaw king.
Wow. Sarap. Oh, wow. Init.
Siopaw king mo.
Sobrang init.
Siopaw king.
At kung gusto nyo nga po palang umorder ng Siopaw King, Siopaw, Siomai,
King.
visit nyo lang ang aking FB account at pwede na kayo mag-order doon.
Just click link.
Link in my daddy's video.
At ng gulay.
Eat your egg. I'm gonna eat my egg first. Eggy.
Maraming tofu.
Oh. Ah. Hot.
Ano mo rin, Wesley?
I don't know what's am I doing right now. You don't like that. Taste it. I don't like it.
Very hot.
Super hot. If you don't know how to chopstick in sushi, you can like cook them. I'll put the food right here.
Tignan ko ang ating seaweeds.
More seaweed. What's this?
Tofu.
Huh?
Tofu. Dynamite. Kumain mo ito.
Honey, there's like the round thing. Like the round,
Hmm?
like the round that you cut. Where is it? Can you find me one? The round one.
This one.
What is it called?
Fish cake.
Fish steak?
Fish cakes.
Fish cakes?
Mm.
I never heard of that one. This one's super hot.
Mm. Masarap.
Dapat tabi mo naman.
This is the fish cake. Oh. I'm just gonna poke it. Poke. Whoa.
Mm.
Mmm.
Semua masarap. Sarap.
That fish cake was good. Wow. Mm.
Thumbs up. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.
And don't forget to like and share, and don't forget to show my king and the show Pao King.
Yeah. Thank you very much mga kaputrip. Thank you very much for watching.
Bye.
Bye-bye.